Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Hope you are having a fantastic day. It is a beautiful day today. It's pushing 80 degrees right now. The sun is out. And most importantly, we are back at it with some C8 Corvette content. And I know this car has been absent on the channel for quite some time now. And to Corvette Squad, I'd like to apologize. Yes, the car is extremely filthy. I haven't washed it in maybe about 800 miles now, or a week. I've just been enjoying the car so much. But it's a very fun-filled day today. Trust me, I am driving the car. I'm at about 4,000 miles, just a little shy of that. And this car is absolutely phenomenal. In every way, this is the best vehicle that I have ever owned. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Corsa Extreme Exhaust that we put on it. Now that I've had about a couple thousand miles, I wanted to talk a little bit about the C8 exhaust that I went with, why I think this is one of the best, if not the best options to go with. But yeah, so the C8 is back on the channel. I'm going to be making a lot more content with it. If anybody has any ideas on what videos they want, if they have any questions, let me know. The exhaust is hands down the biggest question that I get. And the promo code Jump Squad Auto will save you some money on the Corsa exhaust, or any Corsa product for that matter. So we'll just dive right into the sound clips, just some high-level notes. I have the Z mode set to be track for engine and touring for everything else. The reason for that is this is the Corsa Extreme that deletes the AFM valves and the NPP valves. And what that means is that when it goes into 4-cylinder mode, you get a little bit more drone, and by setting it to track mode, you don't have to worry about going into 4-cylinder mode. You get the full benefit of 8-cylinder mode. And there's some quirkiness with the transmission that you have to kind of adjust to and be aware of, such as it not holding 7th and 8th gear on the highway in track mode for good reason. So yeah, with that said guys, let's jump into today's video. And also some next mods coming up, as I am looking to do the front diffuser now that the weather is better, as well as the side skirts. Something like an imitation 5VM package. Let me know what you think would look good. Should I go with the carbon fiber 5VM replica packages? A couple companies out there make them, or should I go with the carbon flash metallic, which means it will match like the little vent grills as well as the mirror cap and the Z51 spoiler in the back. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below, what you think would look good. I am kind of vetting a couple options that are out there, trying to get a quality product for a good price that I can share with everyone. And with that said guys, let's let the C8 roar. Once it gets into fourth gear and you're coasting in the city streets, again, it's not bad, it's not obnoxious, but you're going to get some amount of drone, obviously, because it's basically a straight pipe. But it is very important that you adjust your engine parameters to be in track mode so the AFM valves are shut off and it's not going in 4-cylinder mode, because then you're going to get a lot of drone. See, right now I'm in 4-cylinder mode and you can kind of hear a little bit more of a rumble, but again, nothing too obnoxious. The second you get on it, it goes away. But I've configured Z mode like we just discussed, where it's going to keep the engine locked in track mode, so I'm always 8 cylinders. Now with track mode, obviously it's going to hold its gears a little bit longer. Now with the windows down, more of that deep V8 rumble, which is what you're looking for with a performance exhaust. That pop that you get and the upshift is just absolutely incredible. And anytime you let off the throttle, there's a nice little amount of burbles that come through, which is what I love the most. Now with the windows back up, you can see it's actually, you can hold a conversation in here, which is what I really love about the Corsa Extreme Exhaust. And compare the pricing, Corsa is one of the best exhaust manufacturers in the entire exhaust industry. So you can even see I'm cruising right now at 60 miles an hour down the highway. Again, no drone, there's no obnoxious noises. The one thing to note again is that in track mode, it's going to hold 6th gear on the highway. It won't pull into 7th or 8th anywhere up until about 80 miles an hour. And that's because it's anticipating you to really get on it, so it doesn't have to downshift and pull through the power band. If I was in regular mode right now, you would hear this thing in 8th gear and it would be even quieter. And I can upshift manually. No obnoxious noises. Honestly, the road noise is louder than the exhaust. But you can see in track mode, it pulled it back into 6th gear. I don't have good tunnels, but we'll make do with what we have. That is incredible. A lot of good audio captured in today's video that I missed last time, so hopefully this gives everyone some information about not just the Corsa Extreme Exhaust, but exhaust in general with the C8. When you're looking for the loudest and obnoxious sound that you can get, what are some of the things that you should look out for? And again, I apologize that the car is so filthy. I have tomorrow set aside to wash this and the TRX right before I take this thing up to Pennsylvania for a day trip, which is going to be really, really fun as well. But as always, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. It really helps this video get spread across YouTube and find new people. And if you have not already, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. It's going to make this channel be a little bit more of a legit platform. It makes the family bigger. I obviously get a couple extra bucks once more views start rolling into the channel, and as the channel grows, those numbers are increasing. And I cannot wait to share all the statistics that the channel has accomplished, probably in the next coming weeks. So with that said, guys, until the very next video, I will see you all in the comment section below. Oh, look at that Ferrari!